have to.
Gotta teach that tiger.
Yeah, that's right. Slap him in the face.
Whoa, what's up, ladies and gentlemen, ladies, slot lizards in the house. We're doing some Eyes of Fortune. Looking juicy. D says he wants the 11 G's.
Yep.
Says he's taking nothing less. Get it, D, get it. Hope everybody's doing well and crushing it out there, hitting some big hand pay jackpots, smashing the slots. We're chilling at the Longhorn today. Ooh, that's a big one. Big Jemmy. Big Jemmy. Oh! That would have been a good one.
Yeah.
2 stacks of 3. Five stacks of 3.
I still haven't quite figured this one out.
Ow! Come on now. So darn close, so darn close. That's nice.
Yeah.
43 bucks, we'll take that. Come on, everybody, put the energy out there. See if we can get the hard one on this again. See if we can get the hard one on this again.
Come on now. What's going on here?
I don't know.
Don't grab the seat. $20. Nice. 36.
I think it's bonus time, D. It's bonus time. I hear a bonus in the background here. We gotta get one. 3. Oof, that's a big 500 ball.
Come on, baby. Oh, that's good.
I thought it was gonna go all the way.
Things too.
75 bucks. 3.
Come on, baby.
Size of Fortune is teasing. Come on, Eyes. $40. fortune. You got it. Come on now. One time for D. Well, we still got a chance.
I'll let this count. We're gonna milk this one. We're gonna milk it.
Oh, I didn't think you'd get it again. Come on. Oh, we're still in it. Still in it. Just hanging around, hanging around. $30.
Wow.
Let's get it. Save it. One big one. Now we really need it. Oh my gosh. 20% chance. Come on. Try to get it on the backside. All right, guys. We just put 300 more in. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. He's going to go for it.
Yeah, let's see where it's at. This bonus is hard on here. There it is.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is.
It is.
Jeez, man, it is. It really is. We just have to admit that it is, and then hopefully it'll come.
I was trying to will it to happen.
There.
Three
Come
banger.
on. Wow.
Those are huge, too.
Yeah, they are. I think it may go on this.
They were real big.
Show those big ones.
One bonus for us. You got this. One bonus to rule them all. They're a little something.
All right. Have to.
Gotta teach that tiger.
Yeah, that's right. Slap him in the face.
Slap those eyes.
Man, I would slap that tiger in the face.
Slap him.
Where's that? The
It's
major?
not a major flashy.
Minor, baby.
Minor, baby. Minor,
Called
baby.
it.
5 hundos. So you gotta slap that tiger
Double
around.
major. I meant minor. Not minor. Minor. Another one.
Slap it and save it.
I told you double minor.
Double minor. Double rainbow. We got a jackpot.
Do it.
Unbelievable. It's a good thing we kept going. Save it. Wow. D felt the double minor.
Yep. I don't know why.
Unbelievable.
This one, it's hard to figure out, guys. It's so hard to figure out.
$12.85.
I have to use the restroom, everybody. That was great.
Yeah, gotta have a post-fight bathroom break. All right, guys, let's hit it. Oh, there's no music on this one. That's sad. All right, guys, we are back.
I love that stuff.
Let's get it back to back, back to back. Let's get an actual bonus this time, like a fortune bonus, and then a jackpot again. Fortune and jackpot. It's liking to get slapped around. 2! Ah, did you see all that happiness
did.
roll by? That was so close.
I think we have to kind of,
Massage it a little bit.
yeah. Now that we
The Eyes of Fortune is very finicky.
while we slap the tiger, you know? I mean, you can only slap it a few times before it's gonna bite you.
We gotta dart it. You gotta lull it to sleep. Like you gotta freaking dart your neck, man. Just like that. Gotta dart in your neck. It's actually big for a $3 spin.
Yeah, it is. Major. Big numbers.
I'll take a minor.
Yeah, why not? Just gotta keep it going.
Save it. No save, no save. Take it. Little ammo, baby ammo. Baby ammo. 3, 2 stacks of 3. Oh, all the happiness went by.
Come on, baby. Looks like it should be something.
Come on! Hey, hey,
Man, that thing's fucking off.
Come on, Fortune. Good thing we put that second 300 in.
All right, here we go, guys.
3.
We're going for it. I just,
Last spin. Oh my God, if you get this, it'd be a miracle.
that's all good.
All right, 600 in, 1285 out. Can't complain about that. Double up plus a hand pay. Let's go. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.
Bye.